Howdy y'all! So today we're going to be making Van sneaker skates. So first step is to take out the insoles at the bottom of your shoes. And for some reason, the ones that I had were glued down so well, so I pretty much broke my wrist and my hand and bent this knife taking a hot glue or a heating gun and using this knife to wedge it out like this. So hopefully yours isn't that hard to take out. Now we're going to trace the insoles on a piece of cardboard. So now that I traced where I want the insole to be, I'm going to trace another line inside of it about 1/4 of an inch smaller, and this is what's going to be your metal insole that's going to support your skate. So I actually made mine a bit too small, which made drilling holes a bit difficult, so I would say keep it pretty close to the actual size of your insole, not too much inside. Then we're just going to cut that inner line out, so then we'll have our tracing tool, which is going to be this cardboard. Now I'm just testing it out right here, and it fits. Next, you're going to trace your insole onto a sheet of metal, like this. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna move on to the scariest portion of this, so get yourself a man's who can saw it out for you. Thank God I have one. If not, you can just buy these for $30 on Etsy. Probably just recommend doing that because this seemed slightly traumatic. And then just to round off the edges so they don't stab anyone, we're going to be taking a Dremel and then just going over the edges to smooth it out. So now I'm going to be filing down the edges even more, just so it's smooth. And here we have me doing a little dance. I spray painted over my plates to prevent any rusting. And now we're going to be aligning the plate onto the bottom of the shoe. Proper alignment of your plates is very important. To do so, measure the middle point of both the top and bottom of the sole of your shoe. Try not to freeball this step. You can also measure between your second and third toe to find the middle point of the top of the shoe. Now we're just gonna drill those marks that we made. Next, we put the metal insoles inside of the shoe, and then we drilled again so that the drill would make marks so we knew where to make holes on the metal insole.
Your mind is aligned with your body and this song in the here and now.
Now we're going to put the screws inside of the shoe.
Not as a fabrication of your thoughts and
Next, we're putting nuts onto the screws and using a Phillips screwdriver to back up the screws while we tighten.
By being in this place, your mind is silent, and you have entered into a state of meditation.
We used bolt cutters to cut off the excess screw. Now we're going in with the Dremel to round off the sharp ends. Here I'm putting on the trucks and then my wheels, and then it'll be ready to ride.